Drogba scored in the 79th minute.
Mm-hmm.
Every day. God, I hate you.
Everyone.
I'm working overtime. Watch out.
Every day.
This thing says, who do you think will win? Or does it say, it says, do you think Ivory Coast can still win?
Yes.
Why?
How can they still win?
Yeah.
Well, if Portugal loses to Brazil,
Uh-huh.
and if Portugal ties with North Korea,
Okay.
and then Portugal gets beat by Brazil, and then
Portugal.
Ivory Coast beats North Korea,
Okay.
then that means Ivory Coast will win. But they would have to score more goals.
So they're fucked.
Not really. Because
It just depends, but they're basically fucked.